Did you know you can shut down Windows directly from command prompt? It's quick, useful for automation, and gives you options that aren't always obvious in the normal start menu. In this guide, I'll show you how to shut down, restart, cancel a scheduled shutdown, and use a few helpful options. Let's get started. First, open Windows Search and type Command Prompt or CMD. Select the app to open it. You usually don't need administrator access for a standard shutdown command, although some shutdown options or environments may require elevated permissions. The basic shutdown command is shutdown/s. Type it into command prompt and press enter. Windows will begin the shutdown process. Before running it, save your work and close any important applications, because the command is intended to turn off the computer. You can also restart the computer using the same command. Type shutdown/r and press enter. The /r option tells Windows to restart instead of shutting down. Yeah, this is handy when you're troubleshooting and need a quick reboot. Want to schedule a shutdown instead of doing it immediately? Use the /t option followed by the number of seconds. For example, shutdown/s/t60 schedules a shutdown after 60 seconds. This can be useful when you want to give yourself time to finish a task before Windows turns off. If you change your mind, you can cancel a pending shutdown with shutdown/a. Type the command before the timer expires, and Windows will abort the scheduled shutdown. This is especially useful if you accidentally set a timer or suddenly need to keep the PC running. You may also see the /f option, which forces running applications to close. For example, shutdown/s/f forces apps to close before shutdown. Use this carefully because programs may not get a chance to save unsaved work. In most situations, the safer approach is to close your applications normally first, and that's how to control Windows shutdown from CMD. Use /s to shut down, /r to restart, /t to add a timer, and /a to cancel a scheduled shutdown. Be especially careful with /f. So once you know these commands, you can control shutdown and restart actions quickly from the command line.